Hey guys, these pictures show the condition of my hair about 6 months ago. I had bleached it and I wanted to give rice water a chance. So I used black rice. I heard that it was like the best kind of rice to use. I know a lot of people talk about the Yao women. I've never met them. I tried to research about them and I really couldn't figure out exactly what to do. So I just took some information from a few different videos and then I did what I felt like was best. I started with a cup of rice and I pretty much filled up a mason jar with water. Then I just shook the jar around to get as much of the nutrients out of the rice as I could. I attempted to save the rice to reuse it, but that was not a good idea. So this is what the water looked like. I added orange peels because have you ever smelled old rice water? I left the solution in a cabinet for a couple of days and then once it fermented, I boiled it. So I boiled the water with the orange peels. While it was still warm, not hot, I used it as a shampoo on my hair. This is what my hair looked like, and honestly, I don't really feel like it did much good for my hair. It didn't feel dry anymore, but it's probably because I wet it when I washed it. I'm just gonna stick with my Cream of Nature Plex breakage defense system along with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment. On to styling. The pack of Flexi rods that I have has 6 rods per color, so I'm just using the rods in a way that makes sense on my head. For products, I'm using the Eva NYC primer as my leave-in, and the styler is the ORS olive oil wrap and set mousse. After brushing the products through, I start flexi rodding my hair, and I like to put the flexi rod towards my root, then wrap my hair as I wrap it around the flexi rod. To close it, I curve the top and the bottom portions. Sometimes it looks like an S, sometimes it forms a C. I haven't really felt like the direction that I fold the flexi rod has any type of bearing on how the style comes out. I just repeat those steps throughout my hair. On this rod, initially I was spacing my hair further apart. That would have given me more of a wave, and throughout my head I had my hair closer together, so I pushed it over so that my curls look uniform throughout my head. I did sleep with the rods in my hair and it was so uncomfortable. The next morning I took them out. I didn't even show y'all because I was just so ready to get them out. I applied oil to my hands and then I separated the curls. I did twist my hair up a little bit on the right side and this is the final look. Let me know if you like to use flexi rods on your hair and how you feel about rice water. Thank y'all so much for watching and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.